Hello guys, it is Tori. So today I'm gonna do a little day in the life slash cozy vlog. This was not planned, but I was just excited for my day because I have a very chill, relaxed day. I have some homework I need to do, and I really want to get back into reading. I've been really struggling with reading my books. I don't know why. I just get in really bad reading slumps, but I have so many books to read. And I think I have a package coming in the mail. So we're just gonna be kind of fall cozy today. I don't know. It's very nice outside. I might run to the grocery store. I'm not sure yet. We will see. But that's kind of what my day entails. I'm gonna get up, shower, make my coffee, but I hope you guys are excited for this cozy vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all my links down below, and let's just get into my day. So I'm out of the shower, and I'm not really gonna do makeup today. I'm just gonna do like mascara, I think. But I've been using this body lotion, and it's called Watch Me Whip, and it's vanilla and tuberose. I don't remember what brand it is. I got it at Walmart though. Smells literally so good. Like, I smell good all day long. So after I shower, I usually just rub it on my arms because I get really dry skin this time of year, and so I've been obsessed with this. And I also have the matching candle because that's how good it smells. I haven't lit the candle yet because I've been trying to get through some of my fall ones, but I love this so much. To moisturize my face, I use the Wishful Honey Balm. I just put a little bit of this on. It can get a little bit greasy if you're not careful, so I try not to go too crazy with it. And then for mascara, my all-time favorite one has become the Rare Beauty mascara. I'm literally obsessed with this. This stuff is so good. I know the Sephora sale is coming up, and I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this and probably ordering a few other things that have been on my list. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara. So my current favorite perfume recently has been the Billie Eilish one. I feel like it just pairs so nicely with my body sprays that are like kind of fall scented. So I usually just put about 3 or 4 of those on. And I know she's coming out with a second one, but it's gonna be like $78, which is like kind of ridiculous. And then for hair, I'm going to just claw clip it. I had it crimped and wavy yesterday, but then I went to a football game and it got so frizzy and messed up. When my hair is feeling super frizzy, I put some of the Sol de Janeiro Nourishing Hair Oil in. This stuff smells literally amazing, and I love the way my hair looks. So I just rub that all over my hair. This stuff is literally so good. It smells amazing. And it really doesn't make my hair feel greasy at all. All right, now I'm just gonna go in with this claw clip that I have. I had to get new ones that were a little bit bigger because I have so much hair, and the claw clips I had been using were not cutting it. So I grabbed some new ones. And since my hair is all crimped and I cut it, it's kind of janky when it comes to claw clips, but I just pull some hair out and I leave my bangs out because I feel like, first of all, my bangs won't stay back, and second of all, I just think it looks cuter when it's a little more messy. There's the hair for the day. Just want to be really like simple and cozy and comfortable today. I don't want to do anything too crazy with my appearance because I don't really plan on going anywhere. So I quickly want to mention these sweatpants that I'm wearing. I'm gonna have to adjust the angle, but I got them from Adeline Morin's website, and they say got rights must be nice. So they are for women's rights and abortion rights, and the 100% of the proceeds are going to like Planned Parenthood and stuff like that, like people who have either decided that they can't raise a baby or they just need funding to have a child. So I got these yesterday and I'm wearing them today. And then my top is just from Shein. It matches literally perfectly. If you don't know me, gray is like my color. I love gray. So I feel like since it has the blue, that matches literally perfectly. This works for now. I do have some pants that are supposed to be coming in the mail today that I really wanted to wear so that I could actually be fallified, but Amazon is saying that they're not even out for delivery yet, so that might not happen today. So now it is coffee time, and my current favorite coffee has been mixing the Starbucks caramel macchiato, like coffee buy from the store, with the Dunkin' pumpkin munchkin creamer. This stuff is so good. If you don't know, I work at Starbucks and I personally really do not like our pumpkin drinks. I don't know why, I just don't like them at all. But I love the Dunkin' pumpkin iced coffee. So when I found this, I was literally so excited. I have gone through like half of this literally just this week, and this is almost gone too. So I think I might run to the store today and get a few groceries and get some coffee. But let's make my coffee. So I don't really feel like cooking this morning, so I think I'm just gonna have like a bowl of Cheerios or something, and I'm gonna drink my coffee. And look how cute my cup is. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments and I can give you the link to where I got this, but I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute and it's perfect for my coffee. So I'm just gonna have a bowl of cereal, and then I do need to get homework done today. I have 2 assignments I need to do, and then 1 that I need to finalize and turn in. That's an essay. So we're gonna get that done this morning so that then we can go to the grocery store and just do fun, cozy things. Okay, so I did like 3.5 hours of homework. I did 3 assignments. I'm like freezing, so I put a hoodie on over my t-shirt because it is so cold. Like, it is so cold. It is literally fall outside. Like, it is fall. It is 50 degrees. I'm not kidding you. But I am going to sweep my room and fix my bed and put laundry away, because that is something I've been really bad at recently, is like actually putting away my laundry. I've been procrastinating and just letting it sit in my basket, and I need to just put it away. So we're gonna do some cleaning, and then I need to eat soon. I'm hungry, but my stomach hurts so bad because it is that time of the month, and so my cramps are like absolutely killing me. I'm gonna do some cleaning, and then I have been thinking about getting a book cart. I posted a poll on my Instagram asking if I should get one, and so far everybody has said yes. So right now Target has their like early Black Friday deals or whatever, and so they have all their books buy one get one 50% off, and they're already decreased price right now because they're like price matching Amazon's book prices or something like that. So I have like 4 books in my cart and a like little cart that is like a book cart. You know, you guys know what I'm talking about, like the ones that are all over Pinterest and TikTok and stuff. But it's like $40. It's really not that expensive, and so I'm really thinking about placing the order because the sale ends today. But we're just gonna see how my poll goes, and I'll give it a few hours and then I'll decide. Not that I need to be spending money, but that's my little spiel and my little update. We're gonna clean now. Also, look at my little spooky. So cute. Okay, so my Amazon packages came in the mail. I'm so excited. I'm literally going to change my outfit right now. So I got 2 pairs of the exact same pants. These are supposed to be a knockoff of the like airy flare leggings or whatever. So they have like the cross waist. I got mine in a size small. That's typically what I wear in pants. Even these sweatpants that I just got are small and they're almost too big on me. So this is the brown pair, which I don't think I'm gonna wear these ones today. I think I'm gonna wear the other ones I got. And no, I did not get black. I know most people would, but with having 2 dogs and Bailey sleeping with me every single night, like you guys saw, I literally have to lint roll my bed to get her dog hair off. And I also wash my bedding, like my whole bed, every 2 weeks, and then I wash just my like throw blankets every week, if not twice a week, because she just sheds so bad and it gets everywhere. So I try not to wear dark clothes very often, and wearing black pants is like the worst thing I could do. So I did not get black. That was such an unneeded rant. So they are like this beautiful beige color, and I'm gonna put them on literally right now to see how they look. I hope they fit me really well. I don't wear leggings super often, like I said, because of like Bailey shedding and stuff, and I only own black leggings. I do wear them to work on occasion, and if I'm not going to be home, I will wear them. But if I'm gonna be like laying in bed and stuff, I do not wear them because they just get covered. So I'm gonna try these on, and I hope they fit, because I saw this girl do a TikTok of like fit checks for like 2 weeks, and she wore the why do I keep saying that? She wore the flare leggings like every outfit, and oh my god, they looked so cute. They looked so good on her. Like she had the most beautiful figure ever. Okay, so this is what they look like. They are so cute. They fit really nice. They hug the body so nice. They are so comfortable, and they are like the perfect length on me too. Like they don't drag on the floor. With shoes, you'll be able to see my shoes like a little bit. I did have to change my underwear. I was wearing more of my like comfy ones, you know, because I am on my period. But you can still see the band a tiny bit, so that might be something to keep in mind, depending on like if you're gonna, like I'm gonna probably wear mine with like a crew neck like this, or like a crop top and a flannel or something, you know what I mean? But if you're gonna like wear them like this, you'll be fine. But that is something I would just keep in mind. But I think they're so cute, and if you want them, I will put them on my Amazon storefront so that you guys can get them. Just wanted to update you guys. I finished cleaning, and then I just kind of chilled out for a while. I watched some TikToks and stuff, and then I ate something to try and help my stomach, and I took medicine, and nothing is helping. So I'm just gonna lay in bed and watch some YouTube for a while, I think. Maybe attempt to take a nap. And then I really would like to read today, like later on once I start feeling better, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to focus on a book if I feel like I'm gonna get sick. So I'm just going to lay in bed for a little while, just relax. So I was just editing this video, and I never really got around to ending it. I didn't end up reading. I don't know what's going on with me. Like, I have a book that I really want to read. I started the brand new Maybe Now book from Colleen literally as soon as it was released. I had it pre-ordered on Amazon, and then It Starts With Us comes out literally next week, and so does My Policeman, which I have right up here, and also the Midnight's album come out next week.
but I just like can't bring myself to read, and I don't know if it's because like I don't even know. I don't know. I'm just in a book slump and I need to get out of it, and I'm hoping by ordering new books and getting my book cart I'll be able to get out of it. But I definitely want to start posting more book content. I just need to get out of this slump. I don't know if it's because I've been so busy or stressed, but I'm going to get it figured out. But with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did a little bit of a different editing style, and it was a bit of a different video for me, but I've been watching some newer YouTubers, and I kind of took inspiration from their editing styles and incorporated it in this video, so I really hope you guys liked it. I definitely had a lot of fun with it, so I want to do more vlog style or day in the life videos, but I have a bunch of videos planned that I'm really excited about, so make sure you subscribe so that you can see them. Check out all my links down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!